Many friends okay. Nowadays okay. Only I.
No, you are okay.
No,
Your friends cannot do this. Me and Ramesh, we're more than friends. We're like a small gang. A small gang in the heart of Hat Nhai. And today Ramesh comes up to me out of the blue and he says, "Hey dude, let's go meet a man. A man where everybody goes to see when they die." I was like, "What?" "Yeah, when they die."
Hello. See you. Yeah. What is it? Oolong tea, Chiang Rai, the best tea of Thailand. 1 kilo 3,000 baht. 1 kilo 3,000 baht.
Oh, it's very expensive, yeah?
I also have Vietnam coffee. My friend Mr. Tan. He been to Vietnam and he bought for me Vietnam coffee. Now he been to Bangkok. He is the owner of hotel.
You're the master of groundnuts.
Yeah, I'm master of groundnut because I produce 45 years ago.
Only you are the only producer. Why do you choose to roast groundnuts?
I just from 4 only.
Okay.
So I cannot go to work outside. To
Okay.
go to work at office company. Okay, no, cannot. So I have groundnut. My father export groundnut to Malaysia.
From Thailand.
From Thailand. When people die, they come to see me.
When people
It's
die,
a-
they come to see you.
It's a tradition to buy groundnut. They have the funeral.
Funeral.
They have to buy.
It's a tradition here.
Tradition.
A
Yeah.
tradition. In funeral, you have groundnut.
Groundnut and tea.
Groundnut and tea.
To serve.
How many years you've been doing this? 45 years.
45 years. But now very expensive.
Now expensive.
Last 45 years, I bought 8 baht per kilo.
45 years ago.
But nowadays 80 baht per kilo. Last time I sell 200 now 350.
Wow.
Last time full.
Last time full. Now only here.
When we want to roast, we must to use 100-day groundnut. If you want to boil, bake,
Bake and boil.
use 90 days.
90-day-old groundnut.
Yeah.
Wow, you master lah. No wonder your peanut so special.
You want to try?
Of course I want to try, uncle. Or I'll go nuts. Very good, uncle. Very good.
And
sweet, yeah?
National. No add salt, no sugar.
And this is because of the groundnut, because it's 100 days old. Very compact.
Compact. If 90 days not full. All my friends, all lawyer also. Tua Cao also.
Tokau is what?
Police, big police. Many friends okay. Nowadays okay. Only I.
No, you are okay.
No,
Your friends cannot do this.
I very suffer, you know.
Ramesh, my friend, seems to love the peanut so much, he's speechless.
My friend coming.
Mr. Tan.
He come from Bangkok. He same classroom my classroom
Your classmate?
He's his father rich. So he been to Bangkok. He learned. He graduate. He is an engineer. Last time Hat Nhai have only Form 4, no Form 5, Form 6. If you want to learn, you must go to Bangkok. But I have no chance to go to Bangkok. But nowadays, I give chance to my son. Second daughter, pharmacist. The third son is a doctor.
So you give your children the support that they need.
Yeah.
Are you proud?
Yeah, I'm proud.
You're proud father?
Yes, sir. I have no chance.
Soon, you don't have to do this anymore. Your children will take care of you.
Danny.
How are you, sir? He went to study in Bangkok,
Yeah.
you stay in Hat Nhai, you
Yeah.
roast peanuts, you become master of peanuts.
He's an engineer. Yeah.
But you still best friends. Nothing changed. How you know each other? From school?
7-year-old.
7-year-old. Enter school.
Yeah. I show you my friend. You see. Only one class.
Only one class.
Rest in peace. My friend rest in peace. About 40 already. My father is a driver, chauffeur, you know. My father no money. From Hat Nhai to Penang.
Okay.
And halfway you you stop at Keta or the Star. So stop have lunch and meet my mother there.
Your mother was having lunch also.
And get married. Brought my mother come here Hat Yai and give birth every year.
Every year your mother give birth for 12 years straight.
12.
Man,
Superman. Have 12.
And every single seed inside is very rich.
and it's sweet.
It's sweet because
Yeah.
it's natural baking. No adding sugar or salt. This guy, this old man, no more. I mean, this one is going to be disappear lah.
When the going gets tough for this uncle, just know he's one resilient nut, uncrackable in the face of challenges. What a man.